Hi, my name is Tai. I'm a member of Group 1 of Tura, and today I will show you a really quick demo of our final project application. And along with the application, I will also show you our user stories so that we can easily keep track with the system. So first of all, I will log in as a program director. So there are two different systems, enrollment and admissions, for a program director to choose from. I'm gonna choose admission first. And now when I choose this is a list of all the applicants. And you can you can filter by first name, last name, GMAT score, time with employer, kind of thing. Then you can check on each applicant profile by click on file and then applicant profile. And this is a very detailed list of all the information related to this applicant. So we're gonna check here the first user story is that the applicant, the program director want to see other people recommendation, other committee member recommendation for each applicant. So let's check on this applicant. So you can click on view and recommendations. So nobody has said anything about this applicant, but let's check on somebody else, maybe this one. Click on view recommendation. Yeah, here you can see other people recommendation, like suggested decision. So everybody think that this person should be rejected. And this is their comments. Click on exit. The program director also want to submit an official admission decision. So this is only available for a program director. This is a PMIS applicant, so there are only three different options: either accept, waitlist, or just reject. So when a program director, just pick one and then click on submit, and that would be the final decision. This is the PMIS. You can check on the MIS applicant. There are four different options because all the MIS students gonna get some sort of assistantship, either gold or silver. So gold, silver, waitlist, or reject, and then click on submit. The next one is going to accept. Oh, so after the program director submitted the admission decision, the applicant gonna respond to their decision. So we're gonna see something here. This applicant hasn't replied, but if he did, there would be something like either accept or reject the offer from school. So as a program director, I want to be able to edit comments. So for example, this applicant, you can the program director can edit or add a new interview. So for example, this one, the program director already did something here. So the button is an update button, so we can update maybe something else and then click on update. But for example, we're gonna try somebody that hasn't been interview score added. So we can check on here. This one. We can maybe check somebody else. Oh, okay. So you can see here the button is add instead of update because nothing has been put in here. So this should be have been this should be add. and you cannot leave it blank. So if you leave it blank, there's going to be an error message. And so you can edit and add recommendation the same. Yeah, this is suggested decision because this is MIS student. So there are 4 different um, suggested decision: gold, silver, that's kind of thing. Okay, we already checked this, and now I'm going to show you the enrollment system. So this is a list of current students. So you can also filter by first name, last name, program enrolling in, PMIS or MIS, and then you can also view each individual student. You can see here this student doing MIS and with the ERP management concentration. You can check on the degree on process. So this student already taken 2 classes, and these are the classes that the student need to take in order to complete um, her degree. So this is the option only available for program director. This here I see that somebody that already checked it, but shouldn't be. But anyway, if the program director think that this student has fulfilled all the requirements for their degree, he can just check on here and say, okay, this student is ready to graduate. So that's all the function needed for a program director in their enrollment system. Now we're gonna log in as a committee member. So as a committee member, so again, you can filter by MIS. So you can check on these MIS student, and then click on applicant profile. So you can also view other people recommendations, view others, interview score, and you can add and update. So for example, this student, nobody has added anything, so this is an add button. Same thing for the interview as well. This is an add button, but let's check on somebody else. For example, this one. Okay, somebody already added something here, so you can change it. Yeah, you can. So this is an update button, not the add button. I have to change it. Maybe do something else. Click on update. Then same thing for the interview. You can add maybe something here. Then you can just view recommendation from other people and even yourself. So when you make a recommendation, this is an MIS student. So recommendation, the option, there are 4 different options: go, silver, waitlist, and reject. But maybe let's check on the PMIS student. So we can check on this one right here. So when you add recommendation, the option there only be accept, waitlist, or reject. And also admission, you can see the final admission decision made by the program director right here. If committee member has no authorization to change this, the only person can change it is the program director. So we already went through this. Okay, now I'm gonna log out and log in as an advisor. So this is the table of all the current students. So you can see the PMIS student and then my MIS student. So an advisor want to know the student program and the student concentration. So click on view. You can see here the MIS, and this guy is doing software engineering management. And if the advisor want to see the requirement for software engineering management, just click on here. Let's see the list of all the classes that this student need to take. And check on somebody else. For example, maybe ERP. No, still the same. This is a ERP requirements. The advisor want to run a degree audit, or maybe, and also want to check the student graduation status. So the advisor need to click on here, view degree process, and these are the classes that this guy has already taken. So, and these are the classes that she need to take in order to finish her degree. But I think that when I log in as the program director, I already click on this, so you can see the checkbox here that said ready to graduate, but it is an example that is not true. But anyway, the advisor doesn't have the authorization to change it. The only person can do it is the program director. And also, yeah, and if the um, advisor want to like check everything else, the actual requirements, he or she can just click on here, and all the information gonna be shown in this window right here. And I think that's all the current functions of our system, and thank you for listening.